Hello everyone. Today we will compare Honeydue and Empower, two of the most popular investing platforms in the world. Honeydue is designed with couples in mind, promoting transparency and collaboration in financial management. However, Empower provides a comprehensive platform for individual financial empowerment, including budgeting, saving, and investing. So in this comparison, we'll dive deep into their features, pricing, account monitoring, security and privacy, pros and cons, and at the end of the video, I help you choose which one is the best for you. So make sure you watch till the end because I have created a presentation that will help you easily make an informed decision to choose the correct option. And if you want to sign up for Honeydue and Empower, you can use my affiliate links in the description below where I will earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And you might also get rewards and discounts on signing up. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first, let's go directly to their features comparisons. As you can see, when it comes to being a budgeting platform, as you can see, Honeydew offers basic budgeting tools. However, Empower offers more advanced budgeting tools with additional insights. So Empower is more complex compared to Honeydew. But when it comes to expense tracking, as you can see, both Honeydew and Empower has it. So any users can track their expenses in both Honeydew and Empower, but on the shared finance, also they have it both, but Honeydew is more likely designed for couples while Empower is more designed on family members or support sharing with family members. And now let's go to another one that is bill reminders. And as you can see, again, Honeydew and Empower has it both. So any users can, have their bills reminded to them when they're using either of the platform. But when it comes to availability, as you can see, Honeydew and Empower is both available on iOS and Android. And of course, they have their own website that you can visit in order to know more about them. And when it comes to real-time transaction and alerts, both Honeydew and Empower have it. So real-time transaction alert is very important when it comes to being a budgeting platform. So yeah, that's it for their features and we will discuss more about later. But first, let's go to their pricing. So as you can see, when it comes to pricing, we have three types of pricing. This is about basic plan, premium plan, and family plan. So when it comes to basic plan, as you can see, both Honeydew and Empower offers free basic plans on their platform. But I think Honeydew offers more essential features on their basic plan compared to Empower. So in Empower, you need to have premium plan in order to use more essential features. So speaking of premium plan, both platforms have it, but Honeydew offers their premium features only for $6 per month while Empower offers their premium features for $8 per month. So as you can see, Empower is more expensive compared to Honeydew. But when it comes to family plan, as you can see, Honeydew have it and they offer it for almost $10 per month. And as you can see, for Empower, they don't have any family plan available to their platform, but they have more useful features on their premium plan. So when it comes to their subscription plans, as you can see, they have more features that they offers, and that is shared accounts. But as you can see, Honeydew is limited to one shared account per your account, while Empower offers unlimited shared accounts. So that is very big difference between Honeydew and Empower. And also when we talk about financial coaching, as you can see, Honeydew doesn't have it in their subscription features while Empower offers it. So if you want some financial coaching from financial experts, you can get it from Empower's premium plan. So now let's go to another important features, that is account monitoring. So as you can see, when it comes to a transaction monitoring, both Honeydew and Empower offers real-time notification for new transactions. So this is very important for a budgeting platforms because you can monitor your transaction. And also when it comes to spending analysis, as you can see, both Honeydew and Empower offers a categorization and analysis of spending patterns. So this is very important. And also budget tracking, yeah, they have it both. So they can track your budget limits and overspending alerts so you don't have any problem. And when we talk about subscription tracking, yeah, they have it also both. Tracking and management of subscription is both available on Honeydew and Empower. So now let's talk about the security and privacy of Honeydew and Empower. And as you can see, when it comes to encryption, both Honeydue and Empower has AES 256-bit encryption. And when it comes to data storage, both of them stores all of their users' data on secure servers. So also the access controls, they use two-factor authentication for account access, both of them. And also the privacy policy, they offer transparent privacy policy, and this is very important for user security. And when it comes to data protection, both of them has it. So when it comes to account monitoring and security and privacy, both Hanju and Empowers provides good service for both categories, so that their users will receive more better experience when they're using their platforms. And yeah, that's it. So we're done with their features and pricing. So now let's go to the pros and cons. But first, let's go to the Honeydue pros. And as you can see, because of its user-friendly UI, Honeydue may be used by users of different skills levels. And also, it's made to make joint financial management easier for couples, making sharing and tracking spending simple. And also, Honeydew helps consumers keep on top of their financial obligations by providing bill reminders. And the custom expense categories can be created by users, giving them more freedom when tracking their spending. And also, Honeydew places a high priority on user security and privacy, guaranteeing the protection of private financial data. And that's it for Honeydew pros. So now let's go to the Honeydew cons. So Honeydew cons might not have all sophisticated features that some other personal financial apps have, including credit score tracking or investment tracking. So they lack it. And also, the availability of customer supports options may be limited compared to larger financial management platform like Empower. And if a user has several joint accounts, the basic plan might not be the best option because it limits the amount of shared accounts. As you can see, they only have one limited shared accounts. And yeah, that's it. So now let's talk about the Empower pros and cons. And as you can see, when we talk about Empower pros, as you can see, a comprehensive suite of financial management tools is provided by Empower, such as credit score, monitoring, investment tracking, bill tracking, and budgeting. So these features or these tools is very important for a budgeting platform. So also, Empower offers individuals individualized financial coach to help them make wise decisions and enhance their financial well-being. And also, users of Empower can manage and share an infinite numbers of accounts with partners or relatives. And lastly, Empower's integration with many financial institutions enable users a smooth account syncing for all encompassing financial management. And yeah, that's it for the Empower Pros. So now let's talk about their Empower Cons. And as you can see, the premium plan offered by Empower is marginally more costly than those of certain other personal financials application, just like Honeydew. And also, some users may find Empower's complicated UI overwhelming due to its wealth of capabilities. And yeah, that is very complex for users. And also, the synchronizing function of Empower depends on interaction with other financial institutions, which might occasionally cause syncing problems. And now, that's it for the Empower pros and cons and Honeydew pros and cons. Now, let's talk about which platform is the best for you. And we're going to start it by discussing which who should choose Honeydew. So as you can see, Honeydew is a referable for someone who are couples that wish to work together to manage their finances with features like bill reminders, spending tracking, and pooled funds. It's perfect for couples searching for a practical method to manage their money together. And also, this is very perfect for a person who prefers a basic budgeting tools and straightforward and user-friendly interface, and also a person who needs a basic financial tracking guide, and a person who is our cost-conscious people who prefer basic plan with essential features. And finally, who wants to customize categories and set up custom alerts according to their preferences. So if you have all of this quality, Honeydew is very referable for you. And yeah, that's it. So now let's talk about who should choose Empower. So Empower is referable for someone who are seeking for a platform with all-inclusive features like credit score monitoring, investment tracking, budgeting insights, and financial coaching. And also a person who need a way to handle money in a household, or with several family members because it offers unlimited shared account. And also this is referable for someone who are interested to have a deeper insights into their finance and optimizing their budget strategies. And also someone who appreciate professional guidance and support in enhancing their financial well-being, and someone who wants to improve and monitor their credit score. So if you had all of these qualities, if you want all of these features, Empower is very irreferable to you. And yeah, that's it. So to sum it up, both Honeydew and Empower provide distinctive features and advantages, meeting varying demands and preferences in the area of money management. Honeydew may be the ideal choice if you are couples searching for an easy to use platform to handle your finances jointly. With its easy to use interface, shared funds function, and privacy focused design, is a great option for couples looking for a quick method to manage their finance together. However, Empower might be the best option if you're looking for all-inclusive financial management tools with cutting-edge features like credit score monitoring, investment tracking, and financial coaching. Its extensive feature set, which includes family sharing and individualized coaching, and it enables users to have a better manage with their money and reach their financial objectives. And the optimal options ultimately depends on your unique requirements and preferences, and taking proactive measures to manage your finances is very essential for reaching financial stability and success. So now that's it for today's comparison analysis, and the only question left is which platform will you choose? Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.